Hi everybody, Brandon Carble, the CEO of Weatherskin Coatings here. I just wanted to show you guys how you can save 20% off of all of our great products right now using our newly revamped online store. You got to type in this code SUMMER20 at the checkout. Apparently it's really easy. This is my first time using the store as well, so I'm going to whip through an example with you guys, show you guys how to apply the code, and I've been told it's even easy enough for me to use. So if you want to find the store, you can type in shop.weatherskin.com. You can find the store here at the shop button on our main website, weatherskin.com, or you can click the link in this post. Okay, so I'm at home. I have quite a few projects that I want to do. The underground product is great. It's versatile. You can use it on fence posts, deck pilings, retainer walls, flower beds, underground foundations, tunnels. We even use it in showers as a waterproof membrane. If you need to know how far the product goes on a particular substrate, refer here to the data sheet. On average, this product goes about 400 square feet, and that's two coats, not one. 400 square feet per 5-gallon pail. Okay, so I need a few of these pails. I'm going to add them to cart. Okay, I'm not done shopping. I want to go to roofing. I have a flat roof garage that needs a coating. So there's my flat roof coating. Again, refer to the data sheet in terms for looking for if you're looking for spread rate. It'll tell you how far this product goes on different substrates. It goes a lot further on a smooth roof than something like tar and gravel. I know that mine is rollout SBS or rollout shingle, and I'm going to need 5 of those pails. So I'm going to add those to the cart. Okay, here you can see I've got 4 pails of foundation coating, 5 pails of flat roofing. I'm going to go to the checkout. Now I'm going to apply that discount code here, Summer 20. We'll see what kind of savings I see. So I've applied it. Right away I see that I'm saving almost $1,000 on this purchase. These are huge savings, especially when you factor in that our site is all in Canadian dollars right now. So our American customers, you guys are saving huge. Your dollar goes a lot further than ours right now at this time. Okay, I'm not going to plug in my personal information for privacy reasons, but I think that gives you guys a pretty good overview on how to navigate the store, how to purchase from us. We want you all to stay safe out there. Keep coming back, visiting Weatherskin, call us. More importantly, stay safe, stay healthy this summer. And good luck with all of your products and projects. Keep the emails coming. We love hearing from everybody. We love seeing pictures of what you're working on. Until next time, thank you. I'm Brandon Carble, and I really appreciate being able to talk to you all.